Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Windows error code 0x80248008. The error reads, cannot download .NET Framework. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to install or download the .NET framework. Many players shared that certain programs require at least version 2.0 or higher, but when they attempt to install it, they receive this error code. According to our research, this error is most likely related to Windows update issues or temporary glitches during the installation process. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your Windows device and then try installing the .NET framework again. After restarting, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your Windows operating system is up to date. If not, then install any pending updates and once done, try installing the .NET framework again to see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.